some insights on the H-Heart biofunction formula, which means that it's designed to support a strong overall healthy and happy heart tissue integrity. Doc Wheelwright turned his attention to the heart's innate processes of repair and maintenance because a personal friend of his had suffered an infarction and had his life severely impaired, and Doc wanted to contribute. Currently, heart disease is the #1 preventable killer of humanity. The other two that vie for the top position from year to year are either cancer or iatrogenic causation. The heart never stops. It repairs itself between the 100,000 beats per day. So there's a rapid regeneration process already intact according to nature for the body to maintain itself. It's a unique tissue in this regard. It has its own independent electrical supply generated within its own tissues. Its job is to pump blood to 75 trillion cells continuously, supplying oxygen and nutrients to these clusters of cells for energy and tissue maintenance. I'm reminded of the French surgeon Alexis Carrel. We might know of him and his chicken heart experiment that went on from 1912 to 1946. 34 years he kept a chicken heart beating in a petri dish, totally blowing away the idea that with a chicken that chickens don't live that long. He kept the heart tissue working, and he started the movement of, people can live a long, long time if only we mind the care and feeding and follow the laws of nature. Now, Dr. Alexis Carrel left us a quote, and he said, "The cell is immortal. It's merely the fluid in which it floats that degenerates. Renew this fluid at intervals. Give the cell something upon which to feed, and the pulsation of life may go on forever." His chicken heart expired after 34 years when a lab assistant discontinued the feeding and care of the cell. So we don't know how long that chicken heart could have lived on the simple liquid solution that Dr. Carrel was giving it. So what feeds the heart? Nutrition, of course. Doc's focus was on vitamins and botanical support of the heart's tissue integrity and metabolic energy activities. L-carnitine, known as the premier heart nutrient, necessary for the heart's mitochondria to recover quickly and to produce ATP, the energy of life, for the next heartbeat. Tyuya, a rainforest botanical, a metabolic regulator, a blood tonic. Woodruff is also called Cleaver's herb, somewhat famous for the kidneys. In Chinese medicine and in naturopathic medicine, the kidneys have a direct relationship with the heart, bioenergetically and biochemically. And so Woodruff or Cleaver's herb is also known to provide regulatory nutrients for the heart metabolic processes. It can be calming and sustaining. This formula has RNA, DNA, cellular identity factors to support the very tissue integrity of the heart and its genetic continuity. It's in a nutrient base of B vitamins and minerals and phospholipids for heart energy processes. For over 30 years, this formula has provided stabilizing nutrition and nutrition support for the heart's unique processes. It's become a favorite of many clinicians as heart disease and cardiovascular disease soars. This age-old product has become a mainstay of providing broad blanket general support, makes a huge difference in clinical practice. Thank you.